Marcel Williams here with Elliott Wave Source, your number one source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is April 8th, 2013, and today I'll be covering the euro and the pound. Starting out with the pound, on the weekly chart, just to get an overall look, currently was trading within a triangle, and now we're seeing those impulses. Finish the triangle, working on the impulses. Dropping down to the 4-hour just to get a closer look at these impulses. We see that wave 1 was about right there, then followed by a running flat, and it ended at the 23% fib level. Retraced 23% off wave 1, but then that wave 3 was just a tad shy of the 161% off wave 1. As I stated before, wave 1 retraced about 23%, so should expect something inverse about 76%, but my target is at the 61% fib. Reason being is that we started working on that correction already, and we saw that A wave followed by that B wave, which retraced about 50% of the total move. And then looking at it, the C wave, if it does at least 100%, then it should end at 154.5, which is about the 61.8 fib level. So that's the reason why I'm expecting prices to hit that and not the 76 one. But it could push through and touch that one. But we are overall expecting this pair to push to go higher. But now as we come down in on our 30-minute charts, intraday stuff, this is where it gets a little tricky. So now looking at this, it's looking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's looking like we already completed that 5 wave up. But as said, I'm expecting at least 154.5. So one of two things could happen. The 5th wave could be an extension, as wave 1 and 3 are pretty similar in distance, so wave 5 could be an extension and push towards that. We're about, right now, we're about 180 pips off. So this could have been the first wave within that 5th wave extension. And then if we see 100%, if we see 100% of wave 1, then we should end up around 154, followed by a rather small correction, because this one, wave 2, has corrected drastically. So that small correction, and then we could end up seeing our targets of 154.5. So we'll keep a close look on this pair, as it should hit the target in a couple days, within this week, if not early next week. So we'll monitor the pound dollar. I'll do a recap on the end of the week just to check up on things. Moving on to the euro, we see that prices have been trading really sideways for some time now, and choppy for some time now, from about 08, beginning of 08. Now if we go down a smaller time frame, we're seeing something similar as well. It has been pushing up in one direction, but it's been moving really choppy within that one direction. Let's take a look. So as we see, it's looking like a clear ABC, but the reason I do not have it labeled as ABC is because this C wave would then have to be impulses. But as we take a look at this, first glance showing that it's not impulses, it's very choppy. So I then had to relabel, and then now came out with a double 3. So as we see that ABC making that first A, then that B rather short, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a complex B wave, or X wave rather. And then with that C, we see that ABC making that first A, short B wave, and then either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either or would suffice, but having that as a double 3, followed by that choppy B wave, and then now we're working on those impulses up. The C wave. Going down on the 30-minute. Closer look at these C waves, and as we're seeing, got that 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're working on that fifth wave. So now within that, we see wave 1, have a wave 1 already completed, and then it retrace. This is the 61% fib level. So it retraced that, and then now I'm expecting the C wave to do the opposite. And then right here, this move that I have could indeed be the C wave. So we'll keep a closer look on that, and as I move that up, we see that it equals the distance of wave 1. So we could see this push a bit higher to 131, or it could retrace a tad, not violating wave 1 though, or the overall wave would be invalid. So not violating wave 1, could see retrace a tad before pushing higher. But I am expecting the euro along with the pound to push higher in the short term. So I'll do a recap at the end of the week just to see if our targets are met. And if you guys have any questions at all, you can feel free to come to the chat room or contact us, me or Paul, via email, and we'll gladly assist you. So this is Marcel signing off with a video, and good luck trading, guys.